Hey kittens, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this beautiful tutorial for you guys. I'm going to actually be using the Mickey & Friends Morphe palette, taking the brightest green, and I'm actually going to just be popping that right in the center of the lid, and slowly I'm going to be blending it out upward. So now I'm going to be grabbing a clean fluffy brush, and I actually really like doing this to just clean out the look. As you can see, I'm just going to be blending outward and just upward towards the round of the eyeshadow. Now grabbing my favorite glitter palette, I'm going to be popping that green in the center of the lid, which this is also going to be used as a base for my actual glitter that I'm going to be using. As you can see, my favorite technique is moving this glitter upward a little bit higher, just to, have a full effect of a wider eye. This is the glitter I'm talking about, you guys, and I'm actually applying that with a fine brush, and I'm just following along the base. I'm moving on with my favorite eyeliner. This is the e.l.f. Cosmetics black eyeliner. Just really love it. It actually dries very quickly, and as you can see, it just glides on the eye perfectly. Today's look, I'm going for more very sharp, long, but very thin in the inner eye. So technically, I'm going to be just doing my normal eyeliner, just stopping in the middle of the eye. And of course, you guys know me, I love my rhinestones, and voila, she's back. Now taking my favorite concealer, I'm actually going to be just concealing underneath the eye, just to prep the eye for the lower shadows. I will be using the same green shade for the underneath the eye, just because I feel like it's going to give more of a pop. And then I also like to actually smoke out that line with a black eyeshadow. I feel like this is way better than using a black pencil, just because you guys are going to see the smoky effect that it gives it. Also, it's going to give us more of a Feline eye. Very, very long, very sharp, and very snatch. Of course, I'm applying my favorite lashes at the moment. Actually, I'm going to be using the same eyeliner to add a little bit of a inner wing, not too long, but something very cute where we can give that cat eye look. You see what I'm talking about? Very short, very cutesy, but very snatch. And I'm going back in with the black eyeshadow to smoke that out. And of course, to finish the look, I'm going to go in with eyebrows. And if you don't know, now you know, I use a brown eyeshadow. This is what gives you a very soft look for the brows, nothing too harsh. I like mine very thin. Gluing down my brows and using a brown eyeshadow has saved my life. It's like a 1-2, and they come out very nice all the time. But yeah, I'm actually going to be recording more looks for you guys. Stay tuned. I'm here cleaning down my brows and just recorded this look with one eye for you guys because I don't want to make the video too long. So if you guys want to see an in-depth base tutorial like this video, I'll drop that. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this look. I actually just finished off using a little bit of mascara under waterline. And thank you so much for tuning in. Ciao. Try again one day, we'll see. Your hands under my pillow, so I sleep. And I'm dreaming of you leaving roses on my feet. I found the street with a house in which you sleep. And my stories pour their name on every page. 'Cause I will be gone, make it different.